Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Susie the Phoenix. Today we are learning these sentences. Hello, my name is, his name and her name is. This will take you about a minute. Then I'll teach you how to write these words. First, let's say those sentences. 你好，我叫。你好 is hello. 我 is I. 叫 is to be called, to call. So implied my name is. Hello, my name is Susie. 你好，我叫 Susie. David says, 我叫 David. Emma says, 我叫 Emma. 他叫 David. 他 is he, the male 他. Okay, 他叫 David. 他叫 Emma is a female 他. On the left hand side, it's got a female radical. It looks like a lady's courtesy. Okay, 他叫 Emma. 你好，我叫 Susie. 他叫 David. And 他叫 Emma. Now, we're going to look at each words individually. 你 is you. Let's look at the intonation, the pinyin sound. The consonant usually sound like English, not much change in there. The I in Chinese, in pinyin, sounds I is the base sound, never change. Only change the intonation. Each intonation probably means a different word. Okay, the first one flat, yi. The second go up, yi. The third one, yi. Last, yi. So together, yi, 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 yi. So ni, third. Last week we learned the numbers. Let's count each strokes in each character. You can pause at any time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 好 means good. It's got a female radical as well, and this could be the son. So traditionally, probably they want a daughter and the son. Let's count this word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 我 is I or me. So you have two meaning in English, in Chinese one word. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's quite hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 叫 is to call. To call, you need a mouth. This is square, it's like a mouth. It's got a mouth radical, so to call. 叫, A-O is always ow sound. So 鸡ao, the fourth accent, 叫. Let's count this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 她 is she and her. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 他 is he, but it also means him as well. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those are the words so far. 你 is you. 我 is I or me. 好 is good. 你好 is hello. 他 he or him. 她 she or her. 叫 is to call. Okay, this is a little exercise. Can you pause and try to link them before I tell you the answer? Okay. 我 他 你 叫 他. Okay, these words or haven't got any pinyin or English to help you. Can you pause and read them yourself? Okay. 我 is I or me. 你 is you. 好 is good. 叫 to call. 你好 hello. 他 is he or him. 她 was she or her. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and press the bell for notifications. If you have any questions, I will happily answer them in the comment below. See you next time.